Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. We are currently aboard the Disney Dream. We're going to be giving you a tour of Stateroom 7176. This is a deluxe Oceanview family room. So one thing about Disney Cruise Line is you do need to put a card in here. We have one of our cruising cards in there, but you can use anything. It works. You got your thermostat here. You also have your emergency area where you need to go for your muster, M. And split bathrooms here, guys, on Disney cruise ship. Pay attention, the lights for the bathrooms are on the outside, and there is a lip to walk in, so don't trip. I'm going to open both doors just so you guys can have an idea what I'm talking about. So one side you have the toilet and you have the sink, which is really cool. So somebody could be in here if they had to use the restroom, or if they wanted to shave, things like that, brush their teeth. While you walk over to this side, another person in your party, your family, is over here utilizing the shower. And speaking of the shower, this one's got a tub in it. Of course, good for families, right? Then you have this adjustable shower head. You also have this. So it looks like a couple different options for the shower. There's a seat there. And you have your products. There's a clothesline, which would come across. You're going to find all your towels and all of those good things here. You got some body lotion, nice little shelves. Hey guys. Whoa. Kind of like a little magnifying mirror there. Some more towels, and look at the detail on the towels on the Disney Cruise Line. Very cool. Some more towel there, and you have your hand towel. And I did shut this just now so I can show you that you can divide the room. It's a curtain. Now listen, it's not going to be soundproof, but it does offer some privacy. And you'll see what the other side looks like in a minute. So that is retractable. You can move it back and forth when you'd like. Over on this side, you got some mugs. You have some more shelving, more drawers, and a nice closet. These are your safety devices. This is the ladder for the bunk bed. I'll get into that in a minute in the room. Some more shelves there. I like the way the closets are. You just kind of walk in and they utilize this space between the bathroom and this wall to put all the closet. And we do have a safe as well. Some more shelving there and hangers. Nice little detail here with the lamps. These little sconce lights on the side of the bed, just to back up to show you what it looks like. And these are individual, so you can shut one off, you can leave one on. But look at the detail on the lampshade. Very neat. We do have an outlet there, and an international outlet. Got a drawer. The bed is a queen bed. This bed does not pull apart in this room. This bed is one solid bed. But again, little nice touches on the Disney Cruise Line. You got Mickey there. Nice piece of artwork there. Everybody waving over there to the Disney cruise ship. Moving right over on this side, guys, you can see the phone here. And this is a nice phone to order your room service, which is included in your Disney fare. Oh, let's see. This must be the overhead light, maybe. Nope, that's that one. Yeah, the other one's the overhead light. I think this is a nice stateroom. I really do. I'm going to open up the curtain. Jake and Roberta back here chilling. And I'm going to clean this area up and show you what it looks like. But before I do all that, I want to show you this nice cool window. This is pretty neat. It's got like a bench seating.
Oh, you took Jake's spot.
Jake, why don't you give us a little demonstration? And there's a difference between the Deluxe family ocean view than the regular ocean view. This one has, I think, an extra 40 feet of square footage, which I'm thinking is probably maybe here. 4 by 10, possibly. So the other room may end here. But anyway, we're going to take advantage of it. And as we move over to this side of the room, you're going to see you do have a nice little TV. Nothing too big, but it does swivel depending where you are in the room, which is nice. What do you think, Roberta? Not too bad for a stateroom cabin. And here you will find a refrigerator. Got your refrigerator. We are part of the Castaway Club, so we each, all three of us, get a lanyard, and we get this nice bag. Got some more drawers here, guys. Oh, they are the nice closing. And let's see, different outlets. Oh, that's a switch for your light.
Very good afternoon.
Some light. Be right back. And you will see there are some outlets here as well. International outlet. You got a bench for your desk. Got some postcards. You got like some envelopes and a pen, stationery, and you can hang this out, guys, for your breakfast. This is included in your cruise fare. Room service on Disney World cruises, or I should say Disney Cruise Line, are included. Got another. This is a Murphy bed. This one could fold down. This sleeps 5, by the way. The couch, Roberta, couch opens up to a bed.
Yeah.
And this drops down. So you could put 5.
Yeah, that one, yeah.
Sconce light. Looks like it's just a... There we go. So guys, before we get into our review of the room, I did want to show you what it looks like to have the bunk down. We requested the bunk down, and I was mentioning, you know, this is one option for sleeping. The bed turns, the couch turns to a bed in the Murphy bed. That's how you would fit 5 people. It would be tight for the 5 people, but what I like about this is I'm not very tall, and I can still sit under here, and I'm okay. So, and they will put this up during the day. As far as I know, I'll update you on that if I am incorrect. But as far as I know, on Disney Cruise Line, they still come twice a day. And the room stewards here on Disney are excellent. They really take care of your room. So now we can get right into the review of the room. What we liked, what we didn't like about the room right now. And just like that, it's time for our room review. Guys,
Yeah.
what'd you think? We're leaving right now, just to let you know. But what'd you think of the room?
Yeah,
Jake didn't like much.
What was it that you didn't like, Jake?
because when the ship was like a little, what's the word? Bumpy, let's
Yeah.
say. It would just make a bunch of noise, the room.
Oh,
That's
it's
true, a lot of
because the
vibration.
aft.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because we're in the
the
aft. Yeah,
So keep in mind if you're in the aft, that's what it is.
it's true. But
Yeah.
he's right about that. Anything else?
No,
that...
but besides that, what you did like about the room?
I mean, I like the way the TV is set up and how there's a mirror there.
You like the bed? Was it bed comfortable?
Yeah, the beds are comfy.
Oh yeah, and you have the option again. You have 3 different choices if it's just one kid in here. Roberta, how about you?
I like no noises. I didn't hear any noises around.
Besides
us.
the vibrating.
Besides the vibrating for the room, but yeah, if you're in the aft, yes, the vibrating. I'm talking about like people. We could
No.
hear people. I like the window, the porthole. Oh, window, the porthole.
Yeah.
I like the size
Yeah,
of
I
the
like
porthole.
that.
That
Yeah,
we
it's
can actually
huge.
sit in here. I like it that it's extended.
It is, because if you look at the ship from the side of the ship, this goes out as far as all the balconies go.
Yeah,
So it's basically the same size as a regular veranda with a balcony.
so
So it would normally end right here. And this would be your balcony
I like
area.
the extended area.
Oh, I do like the extension.
I
As
think
it-
this was a good idea for Jake because as he was sleeping, we were able to actually
Yeah.
sit down here. And sometimes, like, I'll be working and Matthew would be here, and then we
Yeah.
would just, doing a few things in here
Yeah.
for Medling World. But I like the room.
Yes.
I think it was spacious, like the amount of like the jaws like that we had, like the
Oh yeah.
the shower I only used the top one. I didn't use the other one, but it was a little bit hard to like when it's like shampoo and things like that because it was coming straight down.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but you could always change it. That's small thing.
Yeah.
But it was generally
Split bathroom
good.
is excellent. It's so
Yes.
helpful, man. We're having that split bathroom where I could shave on one side. Not that I shaved in the last couple of days, but while somebody was using the shower or whatever.
I think it was very helpful.
I enjoyed this room. I really don't have
But
anything else to complain.
I
No.
do. Missing outlets.
Yeah.
A lot of outlets. Yeah.
Not a lot of outlets at all. The hair dryer is a specific one. It's 220 and 110. So people come international with 220. You do have options. For international, you also have options. But I only
For
had
working.
it for working. Like
if you just were using it for phones, you'd probably be fine.
I'd probably be fine. But I
For
had my
computers,
computer
yeah.
on all the time. The camera was on all the time. We had one outlet to charge phones.
Because there's only one outlet at
Correct.
the beds
By the bed.
on the far side.
Cool. So it was not enough outlets for us. I think that would be my major complaint, but because we had work to do.
Yeah. Overall, though,
that,
the room was really nice.
The bed was comfortable.
Oh, the bed was great.
Towels are comfortable.
Yeah, it was good.
Towels. So yeah, I liked it.
Me
Yes.
too. I don't have anything else to add to that.
No.
So, guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Yes, it's time for us to leave the ship. So we're not happy about it, but we're also very grateful and thankful because we had 5 nights on the awesome Disney Dream. See ya!